what's up? This is another Space Sharks video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Touch onto your Nexus device. As of yet, it's only available for Nexus devices, so that means the Galaxy Nexus, the Nexus 4, and then the tablets, the Nexus 7 and the Nexus 10. No Nexus 1 or Nexus S, those are kinda too old to get this running. And here I'm going to show you how to install those onto your device. I'm going to be using my Galaxy Nexus, and as you can see, I'm on droidlife.com, and I'm going to post a link in the description below on how to get to that page and how to install everything. There are a couple instructions on the page. You can follow them, or you can just watch this video. It will be exactly the same, but just for video purposes you can use this. You need to download a couple files. First off is the device specific file, which is Maguro for mine, which is the Galaxy Nexus, so I'll be downloading that. And then you need the phablet armhf.zip, which is the general file for downloading. Just to be sure, just on a side note here, it's only Ubuntu Touch. It's like you cannot do anything with it. You cannot make calls. You cannot listen to music. This is just a preview to test out on your device. It crashes a lot and whatever. I tested it out and it's actually pretty, not stable enough. So here I'm copying those things to my desktop. What you now need to do is make sure to plug in your device and put them in any folder. And also make sure you have a rooted device. Or no, just make sure you have custom recovery. Just custom recovery. So because you need to flash these zip files in order to get Ubuntu Touch to work. And after you've copied them to your device, you need to install them using any recovery, and I'm going to show you that right now how to do that. So once you copied your files over to your phone, it looks a bit like this. You got two files. One is the general file for Ubuntu, and one is your device specific file. Now you want to reboot into recovery, reboot, and go to recovery. First thing you want to do is to wipe the cache and the data factory reset. So first you're going to do a data factory reset. By doing so, doesn't take too long. Data wipe complete, and then you want to do wipe the cache to ensure Ubuntu One Touch installs correctly. So now it's time to flash your zip files. You download them off your computer and copy to your device, and you need to remember where you saved it because you're now going to that folder and locate those zip files. I saved them in this folder, and what you first need to flash is the device specific file. That's Maguro from my Galaxy Nexus. Wouldn't take too long. It's the smallest file, and I also recommend to flash this first before you're flashing the general Ubuntu file. So after that's completed, you need to go back to that folder because you went back to the main menu, and now you're going to flash the general Ubuntu file onto your device. That's what I wanted to say. So this takes very long and actually takes about around 4 to 5 minutes to install. Luckily I speeded it up for you by 1000% because this takes so freaking long. It's like copying and extracting and whatever, but you'll have it installed. The package is around 450 megabytes, so I don't know why it takes so long, but hey, whatever. It takes your time and it's worth it. So after you've installed it, you're going to boot Ubuntu. So the first time booting takes some time because you just flashed basically a new ROM onto your device. And I was trying to figure out if anything was happening or that it was broken, but eventually it popped up. And here we go. This is Ubuntu Touch. The time was correct. I said I had 14 tweets. It's all mock-up. Everything is like mock-up. You can set your Wi-Fi for internet access. You can actually access the internet, but you cannot do anything than that. It says I have 14 tweets received. I did not have any Twitter set up because I just flashed a ROM. I was trying to figure out how everything works, and this is the home screen. That's Gmail, phone, browser, some contacts. I don't know who those guys are, but apparently I don't know those guys anyway. So this was the installation of Ubuntu Touch onto your device. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on another SpaceSharks video.